Hi everyone, this is Kamal with Chemo Life channel. In this video, I will show you how to organize your tabs in Google Chrome. Let's start. You see here, I do have many tabs open with different titles which make my work look bad and not organized. Therefore, I use one of Google Chrome features to group them to be more effective and organized. Then how to create how to do that. I'm gonna create a group by choosing one of the items, one of the titles. I'm gonna right click on a tab, then add tab to new group. Since I have like this window or this tab open, I have like the coding or the programming. Then I'm gonna look for whatever is related to programming, this one as well. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add new group. I name it coding. Then you see now is by default it's blue. You can choose gray, red, orange, green, etc. Then I'm gonna keep the orange color for this. And so far I have this one here and this one here related to coding. Then I'm gonna drag and drop it. See now that this tab, it's taking the color of the group. I'm gonna drag this one here, which is just white. It's gonna turn orange, meaning is inside the group. Now it's orange, meaning is inside the group. When you click on the coding, see now they are grouped. And click again, see they are here. This one I don't need it. It's I can keep it outside. See, if you want to remove something from the group, just drag and drop it outside of the group. See, now is white and group has only one item. If you want to put it back, just drag and drop. Easy. Now I have one. This one here and this one here. You have C and the letter C as well. Is the same tab. Then I can name it like this. Now here, see, they ask you to, now I have one group added. Now they ask you to move these two items to the new group or to the existing group. Since that design, I can name it design and give it as color purple, and drag and drop this here, and drag and drop that here. Now I have this. See, now I have this one and this one. They're talking about sports, and it's better for me to go here, add new. Now again they're asking me to open new group or add it to coding or add it to design. Let's add it to coding to see. Now doesn't exist here. If you open the coding, you see it's here, and taking the color orange color, but this one doesn't belong, doesn't talk, is not related to coding. Then I don't need it to be here. I have to move it out of the group. We can do it this way, and it's better to open or create new group for it. and we call it sport. Give it as color this one here. Then this one also is YouTube and talking about sports. Then edit here. Now I have three groups. As you see here, I have Amazon, I have eBay, I have AliExpress, and these items they're talking about shopping. Then I'm gonna do the same thing, add. I'm not gonna add it to any of those. Then I'm gonna create a new one and call it shopping. Okay. Drag and drop, drag and drop. All three chicken the same color. Now, see. And the last one here, I have these three items. They're talking about cars. Then I'm gonna name this. I'm gonna add. I'm not gonna add it to any of those groups. I'm gonna create another group again and call it cars. Give it as color blue. Then drag and drop, drag and drop. See now, that's good. Now if I open this one here, it's better to close this one. And if you open shopping, it's better to close this one. That's all for today. And if you wanna, by the way, if you wanna move or ungroup these ones here, you don't need the group anymore. Then just right click on it and ungroup it. See, they are ungrouped. And if you wanna group them again, you can just go back and add design again. If it as color, I don't know, green or whatever. Here we are. That's all for today, and I hope it's very helpful. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. If you have any comments, leave them below and let me know what topic would you like me to talk about next video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.